Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Many homeowners believe that if they don't have a sprawling acre of land, they can't enjoy a true outdoor sanctuary. However, covered outdoor seating for small spaces is specifically about the intentional design of a compact area, like a balcony, a tiny side yard, or a small patio that is sheltered from the elements. It means creating a defined room outside that uses vertical space and overhead protection to make a limited footprint feel like a purposeful extension of your home's interior. Whether it's a sleek louvered roof, a classic pergola, or an architectural overhang, the goal is to create a snug, weather-protected nook where style meets efficiency. Having a covered outdoor seating area, even when space is at a premium, offers incredible lifestyle rewards. Firstly, it provides a year-round retreat. The cover protects you from the harsh midday sun and unexpected rain showers, ensuring your outdoor furniture stays clean and your relaxation time isn't interrupted. In a small home, this area acts as a vital bonus room, effectively increasing your usable living square footage without a costly renovation. Furthermore, a well-designed small space often feels more intimate and hygge than a large, cavernous patio. It encourages closer conversation and provides a private, cozy atmosphere that is much easier and more affordable to maintain and decorate than a massive estate. The secret to making a small covered area feel expansive lies in visual continuity and smart layout choices. Start by using a consistent color palette that flows from your indoor room to the outdoor space. This tricks the eye into seeing one large, uninterrupted area. Incorporate leggy furniture, pieces that sit high off the ground on thin frames, to allow the eye to see more of the floor, which instantly creates a sense of openness. Mirrors are a designer's favorite trick. Hanging a weather-resistant mirror on a fence or wall under your cover can reflect light and greenery, effectively doubling the perceived depth of the space. Additionally, keep your vertical lines clean and avoid heavy, dark drapes that might hem the area in. Instead, opt for light-colored structures and minimalist lighting to keep the vibe airy and bright. When selecting items for a small covered seating area, functionality and scale are your best friends. Multi-purpose furniture is a must. Think of ottomans that double as coffee tables or benches with built-in storage for cushions. Scale is equally important. Avoid bulky, oversized sofas that swallow the floor plan, and instead look for apartment-sized outdoor sets or sleek, modular sectionals that can be tucked into a corner. To add life without taking up floor space, utilize vertical planters or hanging baskets. Finally, high-quality lighting, such as recessed ceiling lights or slim wall sconces, provides the necessary ambience without the clutter of floor lamps, ensuring your cozy corner remains functional and fashionable well into the evening. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear the compilation of the top 10 best covered outdoor seating for small space ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the illuminated timber nook. This design features a sturdy wooden pavilion that transforms a simple deck into a high-end lounge. The back wall is accented with an intricate, glowing laser-cut light panel that serves as a stunning focal point, while floor-level LED puck lights guide the way. It's the perfect blend of rustic wood textures and modern lighting, featuring a compact wicker sectional and a yellow hanging chair that adds a playful pop of color without overcrowding the deck. 2. Modern minimalist louvered pergola. For those who love a clean, architectural look, this sleek black metal pergola is a game-changer. It sits perfectly over a concrete patio, featuring adjustable louvers that allow you to control sunlight. The furniture is kept low profile with warm wood frames and cool gray cushions, centered around a rectangular fire table. The use of artificial turf borders and simple potted snake plants keeps the lines sharp and the maintenance low. 3. The rustic brick hearth retreat. This space proves that you can fit a full great room experience into a covered patio. With a vaulted wood plank ceiling and a grand brick fireplace serving as the anchor, this area feels incredibly sturdy and permanent. Wicker armchairs are arranged in a circular conversation group, allowing for a cozy atmosphere that is perfect for watching the wall-mounted TV or enjoying the warmth of the fire, all while remaining protected by the overhead roof. 4. Transitional paving and stone pillar patio. This design utilizes a beautiful stone veneer pillar to support a substantial roof overhang, creating a seamless transition from the house to the yard. The light-colored pavers reflect natural light, making the area feel much larger than it is. A round dining table is a smart choice for small spaces as it facilitates better traffic flow, while the stone fireplace and outdoor TV ensure this compact zone is the ultimate entertainment hub. 5. The sleek outdoor kitchen and bar. Maximize a narrow side area by turning it into a functional kitchen and dining strip. This design features a dark, textured back wall that provides a sophisticated backdrop for a professional-grade grill and bar. The light-colored wood cabinetry and high-top bar stools allow for vertical dining, which saves floor space. Oversized woven pendant lights add a touch of organic texture while keeping the floor clear of lamps. 6. Grand stone fire pit and pergola combo. This L-shaped backyard layout uses two different types of covers to define different zones. A traditional wooden pergola extends from the house for a shaded transition, while a solid roof covers the main dining and cooking area. The centerpiece is a massive circular stone fire pit with built-in curved stone seating, proving that you can have luxury features in a compact yard by integrating them into the hardscaping. 7. Contemporary Zen corner with privacy slats. Privacy is often a concern in small spaces, and this design solves it beautifully with horizontal cedar slat fencing. The black-stained pergola frame creates a striking contrast against the warm wood. A dark gray modular sectional is tucked into the corner to maximize every inch of the tiled floor, while orange accent pillows and a glass-enclosed fire table add warmth and a modern hotel lounge aesthetic. 8. Classic brick and pillar veranda. This elegant space uses traditional brick pillars to match the home's exterior, making the covered seating feel like an original part of the architecture. Two ceiling fans keep the air moving, which is essential for comfort in smaller, enclosed areas. The arrangement of wicker chairs with vibrant orange cushions creates a bright, welcoming spot for morning coffee, while a circular stone fountain nearby adds a relaxing auditory element. 9. The luxury infinity pool pavilion. Even with a pool taking up most of the yard, a well-placed pavilion can provide a necessary shaded escape. This design features high arched openings and a light brick finish that feels Mediterranean and airy. A central fire pit is surrounded by swivel chairs, allowing guests to face the fire or turn toward the pool. The consistent light gray tiling from the patio to the pool edge creates a vast, unified look that feels incredibly high-end. 10. The futuristic garden capsule. For the ultimate small space statement, this spherical wooden pod offers a unique, private dining or workspace right in the middle of the garden. The curved wooden ribs provide partial shade and wind protection while allowing glimpses of the surrounding greenery. Set on a circular concrete plinth and surrounded by lush, low-maintenance landscaping, this is the perfect solution for someone who wants a room in the garden with a tiny footprint. Creating a covered seating area in a small space isn't just about furniture. It's about reclaiming your outdoor potential. By focusing on scale, lighting, and smart architectural choices, you can turn even the tiniest patio into a luxurious escape that rivals any large backyard. We hope these 10 ideas have inspired you to look at your small outdoor space with fresh eyes and big dreams. If you found these small space tips helpful, Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.